Konnichiwa. Hey, been a little bit. Just got home from work. Thought I would see about replacing the steering wheel on the Yaris. So going to Autopolis next week, and then just wanted to put a different steering wheel on it. Been wanting to do it for a while. Just haven't got around to it. Okay, now that the car lets me in. So, never done this before. Got some ideas, so we'll figure it out as we go. Okay, so from what I understand, there's 3 holes. So I forgot to hit record, pulling the steering wheel off. But basically, the 3 holes, push in, hit the releases. If you look inside here, so there's a hole here. All it does is it just pushes against that pin right there. You can see that metal pin that pushes. And then there's a pin right there, and then there's another one down on the other side. So there's 3 holes. So the 3rd hole, for whatever reason, was a pain in the butt. But basically you can see I just take a pen, get it in there, and you just push up against that. You can see it moves that. That's what releases the airbag from the steering wheel. Wire here. Clip. Pop the clip out, pull it off, and just slide that off. And basically that's it. You got the connector here. Goes to this. And the steering wheel does have an Allen bolt, but the steering wheel came right off. Wasn't stuck on there or anything. So now I got to remove the controls and put in the kit.